A woman is like a tea bag. You never know how strong she is until she gets in hot water. That quote was made famous by Eleanor Roosevelt. And listen, your girl has been in the hottest water straight out of the river Styx this last year. Those of you who don't know, I broke both my hips a year ago, actually, and I am here to give you an update, if not get you thinking about teabagging, apparently. So, those of you who are not up to speed, I broke my left hip November 28th, I think, of last year, and then the second hip uh, in rehab right from under me a week later. Both were obviously surgically repaired, and the reason this happened is because I have chronic kidney disease with secondary bone disease, which means the kidney disease is the reason for the bone disease. So within that week, my whole world was changed. My worst nightmare, which is losing independence, was yanked from me. I spent a total of 6 weeks in hospital, 4 of those in high intensity rehab, and I had to rely on mobility devices. I had to rely on my family to even get up and do things. And this was me, I think, the first week out of the hospital. And this was what I could do. I could just basically do a couple laps around the kitchen. I still had to go to my dialysis treatment 3 times a week, which was torture and painful. And I had to rely on my family to take me there, get me back. I had a PSW who came twice a week to help me clean, wash my hair, put my socks on. I couldn't even bend down to put my socks on. I had a little grabby grab thing. I had little to no privacy. I slept on a hospital bed in my parents' living room because I could not get on and off a regular bed. And sorry, this is where I might cry. Sorry. I just want to thank everyone. For your words, your support in any way that looked like. Someone left me a comment that was my mantra throughout all of this, which was, your body can't help but heal. Like, that's what your body is supposed to do. And I carried that with me, and I knew if I just did everything I was supposed to do, I would get through this. And mind you, not entirely unscathed. I still do carry that trauma with me of standing up and just breaking a hip. And I still do have pain in my left hip, which I deal with every day. Okay, so let's leave this turtle KJ behind and let me show you how I walk now, a year later. I tried to do a reasonable facsimile of, a side-by-side comparison. So I went a bit extra and, I don't know, wore similar clothes as well as didn't condition my hair. So it's super frizzy like it was back in those days because it was too painful for me to actually stand and get my hair conditioned. But before I show you the money shot, I just wanted to show you this lovely walker I had. That was an upgrade from the steel frame one. Okay, guys, are you ready? Are you sure? Now, to say, going back through all my old footage was so hard. This video was so hard for me to make, harder than actually going through what I went through. I am so focused in crisis about what I need to do, what needs to be done. It's only after, when I self-reflect, I break down. But anyways, as always, guys, thank you so much for all your support. Bye now.